Hey guys, Character Driver here, back with another video. And today, we're taking the Chrysler at the expense of my sleep. We're taking the Chrysler to get an oil change done. I know, why don't you just do your own oil change and stuff? Well, where I'm at now, I'm technically not supposed to work on my car in the parking lot. And I just need to get it done. It's been needing to be done for a long time. Yeah, I know. But yeah, I finally went ahead and scheduled an appointment to get it done. And that's what we're doing. Okay guys, now we're doing like a point of view style thing. Crap, bro, the crap. That was fun. So if you ever wanted to know what it feels like to drive a Chrysler 200 Limited, here you go. Personally, I like watching the point of view style videos on YouTube, so maybe you'll enjoy watching this too. Something just so fun, makes you feel like you're in the driver's seat, you know? CarMax up in here. Got this little Suzuki here. Yeah, boy. I do plan on getting a better point of view hat in the future. The one I have now has a flat bill, and that's all fine and dandy just for wearing, but it kind of sucks for POV because it sinks in. The camera, the weight of the camera makes the bill sink in. If I had a curved bill, then it wouldn't do that. I can pretty much guarantee that. My appointment is at 3 o'clock. I'd say I got about a good 10-minute drive there. So I'll get there a little bit early, but who knows, maybe they'll be able to get my car in early. I can't wait to get this oil change done. I've been worrying about it forever. Like, oh, it needs to get done. I won't have to worry about it anymore for now. It's gonna be nice. The oil change, and then I need the shocks, the rear shocks replaced. That's what I heard anyway. I haven't looked into it myself or anything. I got new tires on here a while back, and that's what they told me there. So I'm trying to get that all done before I go to H2O. I just cleared today with my boss. I cleared that I'd be able to take off Friday night. So I will be going to H2O at the end of the week. Definitely missing a lot through the beginning of the week, through the whole week really. I'll just have that last weekend. But still, it'll be a good time. This road's kind of fun to drive on, so I'll let you see it. A little bit of a back road here. got to be careful on this back road here, this particular back road, because cops do have a few places they like to hide along the side. I have never gotten pulled over back here, except over by the school. I have gotten pulled over by the school, but that's toward the end of it. But I see them hiding back here a lot. And I also see a lot of deer crossing the road right back here, which makes sense because this is really nice stuff here. They got, you know, plenty of food, shelter, places to hide. Really nice properties. Woo! One of these days maybe I'll get an exhaust done so that it can actually be fun when I accelerate. Got some kind of construction going on here. Nice. All right. Here we go. These houses back here are so nice. I mean, they're not crazy nice, but they've got nice properties, pretty sweet houses. They got these barns, these big old barns. You know, not the nicest thing I've ever seen, but I would not complain. Now right up here is a spot that cops really like to hide. I'm gonna slow down a bit. Yeah, right there. Everyone else is moving along pretty good, so I really didn't have much to be afraid of, because obviously they're gonna get pulled over first, right? I guess that's not always the case, but it makes sense to me, you know? I passed a Fisker Karma right here but once before. First Fisker Karma I ever saw in real life. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't think I've seen another Fisker Karma. I think that's the only Fisker Karma I've ever seen. I know my wife saw a Fisker Karma somewhere once before. She asked me one time, is a Karma a nice car? And I was like, what, you mean like a Fisker Karma? She was like, I don't know, it said, the car said Karma on it. And yeah, I mean, in all likelihood, that was most likely a Fisker Karma, unless someone literally just wrote Karma on their car or something. Oh, the Fisker Karma. The car that should have been a big deal. But then Tesla cramped its style. See, back here where the school is, this is where I was talking about earlier, where I got pulled over. And the lights are flashing right now, so could be a cop hiding somewhere. That's when the cops like to get you back there, is when those lights are flashing, the speed limit's 15 miles per hour. Everyone has a lot of trouble staying under 15 miles per hour, including me. I'll keep it around 20. But one time I got pulled over there because it's so hard to keep it down that low. I was going like 25 and the cop pulled me over, and he was real nice about it. He said he let me off on a warning. But yeah, that's what they like to do there. Just catch people not going 15. Alright. Got that fresh oil. Now we can open her up a little bit. While continuing to watch for cops. Woo! Yeah, boy. Love the smooth, comfortable ride in my Chrysler 200. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up for today. Got the Chrysler 200's oil changed, did a little driving, a little cruising, got some point of view footage. It's been a good day. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you feel like it, turn on the notification bell maybe. I'll talk to you later.